Welcome to Thermomix Philippines. Here's a short tutorial on how to create your Cookidoo account. On your mobile device or computer browser, type the URL https://cookidoo.international. This will lead you to Cookidoo International website. Click the green button that says try it for free. Enter your email address and create your password. Select Philippines as your country or region of residence. Click and accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Then click Sign Up. An activation email will be sent to your email account. Check your email from Thermomix customer care and activate your account. You can start personalization of your account by entering your name and setting your preferences. You may skip the Add Your Thermomix section. This will be automatically added when you set your Cookidoo account to your Thermomix. Accept the settings you have made. You may now start exploring Cookidoo. You can go to your profile and select your preferences. You can select your favorite cooking style, and Cookidoo will enhance the recipe recommendations and personalize your Cookidoo experience even more. You may also select the accessories to include in your search. Cookidoo International allows you access to recipes all over the world. In the language, you may choose English and any other language that you know. We don't recommend you to select any countries. For example, you have selected English. When you search for recipes, your list will now be filtered with English recipes. You may download the Cookidoo app from iOS or Android. Log into your Cookidoo account on the Cookidoo app and explore Cookidoo. What would you like to cook today? When you go to your profile, you will see all the preferences that you have selected previously. You may now start to choose recipes and add them to your week. You can choose to cook today or open the calendar to add to your week. You can also add the recipes to your shopping list, allowing you to see all the ingredients needed to cook the dishes.
Now, let's activate your 3-month Cookidoo trial subscription. Enter your Cookidoo email address and password that you have created.
Scan the QR code shown on the screen and follow the instructions that follows.
Enter your billing address and payment method. Follow the steps to activate your 3-month trial subscription.